We're back on the how-to channel and we're talking about how to fix your Instagram problem if it's not showing the Reels icon. Now guys, this is super easy. There's a couple of steps. So go into your Instagram, go into your main profile page. Check if that Reels button's in the middle. If it's not, come out and go onto your app store. One of the reasons, which is the most common, is your Instagram needs to update. So once you type in Instagram, you'll see on the right-hand side, it says update. Hit that, let it update, and then go back to your Instagram icon, click it, and see if the Reels tab is there. Let's go and have a look. So mine's just updated, guys. Let's have a look if it's there. It's still there, that's perfect. If it's not, hold in your Instagram button and remove the app completely. That's an easy thing to do, okay? Delete it and reinstall it. You hear people say turn it off and on. It's the same kind of thing. That's number two. If that's not working, go onto your Instagram and click on the menu tab. Go to your settings and scroll all the way down. What I'm gonna tell you to do is add a fake account, or if you have a second Instagram, add that as well. I wanna see if the Reels is on that account as well. So just log in, add a new one, and check if that Reels tab is on the new one. If it's not, we know there's a problem. If it is, we know it's only a problem with your Instagram. If the problem still persists, you got to go to that help button. Just hit the help section and ask them. We're running out of ideas here, and they will be able to help you why that Reels isn't on there. So tune in, like and subscribe for more how-to videos.